morning. My name is Hunter. I am an international sales representative of ProArc. Today, I want to introduce you a good circumferential welding system. It combines with a side beam and a ServoArc HeadStock. The loading capacity is 500 kg, and the welding diameter range is from 15 mm to 800 mm. The function of this side beam is for torch positioning. There are two slides on the carriage for torch position fine adjustment during welding. This pneumatic cylinder is for quick torch setup. This headstock, we use servomotor to control the rotation. The servomotor has the encoder to detect the rotation angle, and high positioning is done by closed loop. It generates the smooth rotation from low to high velocity. No matter high load or heavy load, the operator can always get the smooth rotation during welding. All the rotation control is by this ServoArc control box. In this small control box, you can very easy to set up the welding speed, welding sequence, and adjust the welding current by analog signal. The controller will automatically calculate the linear speed by keying the diameter of the weld part. It is very easy to set up the start point at any angle. All the welding parameters will be saved to the database. It offers 100 programs to save your welding parameters. This ServoArc is your best choice for welding automation. Contact us. We will select the best model according to your needs. Thank you.